Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review about this garment bag that I got on Amazon. In the last few weeks, I've been trying and testing so many different garment bags, trying to find a really good one so I can give it to my dad. I know he needs something like this. He travels a lot, so, having a garment bag like this one would be very, very helpful. So yeah, in this video, I'm just going to talk about some of the things that I really like about this garment bag and one important thing that I think you should know before buying. So this is how the garment bag looks like when you have it closed up all the way. And when I compare the look of this one to the other ones that I've already tested, this is definitely the best looking one. And I feel like the quality of this one is also better than the other ones I've already tested. I don't know, the stitching, the materials feel very high quality. You also have a lot of storage in this garment bag. So you have these shoe front pockets right here, which you can open up and just use for storage. You also have this side pocket, which is a shoe pouch. So you can place your shoe in here, and this has a lot of space. You can definitely have more than one pair of shoes in here. It has a lot of space. And then right here on the other side, you have this pocket as well, which is just for you to store, wallets, pencils, anything that you need in the airport. This would be a good spot for it. So right here, this is how the inside looks like. You have the main zipper here for you to put your garment inside with a lot of space. You also have this pocket with zipper right at this side, and then on the other side you have more pocket space, and then you have this one right here, which I would say this is for ties. This long pocket. The quality of the material is very nice. Like I said, you can see that this is very high quality. The one thing that I noticed with this garment bag when I compared this one to the other ones that I've tested, this one doesn't have a ton of storage in the inside. The other ones, they had some pockets here and there. They had also bigger pockets in the inside. So you had more space and storage. This one, you only have a pocket right here and this one right here. But they have this long pocket here for you to store ties if that's what you're looking for. This is kind of nice. I didn't see this type of pocket in the other garment bags. And yeah, overall, I think this is a very nice travel garment bag. It's not super big, which was a problem with the other ones that I tested. They were way too big, so big that you couldn't even place them on top of your carry-on, which is not the case with this one. I think this actually has a good size and you can fit a lot of stuff inside. And yeah, love it. Highly recommend it, especially for the price that you're paying. This is a good find.